This video is going to be on how to perfectly straighten your bob wig after washing by yourself. Pretty much this is going to transform your wig game and it's going to turn your old wig to new. So if you're interested, keep on watching. To moisturize the hair, I'll be using this product. It's the Bio Silk, and I'm just going to apply that all over the hair as well as put in some heat protectant just to protect the hair because we will be straightening the hair. And this is the brand I use. You can use anyone you have. Then you want to comb through the hair just to make sure the product gets everywhere. And then using a hot comb, I'm just going to proceed to flattening out the wig from the top all the way to the bottom. And you just want to make sure every part of the hair is tamed down. We want this wig to be flat, so this video is going to show you exactly how I do that. And I use the same technique for all my wigs. And here I'm just seeing me making the middle center part of the wig and then also using the hot comb to make sure I flatten it down as well. My technique is always to start with the back, so I like to section the wig into two, and then I walk from one section and alternate to the next section, and then within that section I will also make different parts and also do it in bits. So I hope you guys can understand from just by watching the video. You just want to make sure you comb through the hair. You section it first of all, comb through the hair and pass your straightener through the hair. You shouldn't have to do so many passes using the straightener. Sometimes I do just because I want it to be very flat. And that's exactly how I get the bone straight look. But you can have a good straightener and you just do 1 or 2 passes and that's good. But my straightener is aging, so I had to do a couple more passes using the straightener. And you want to repeat the same technique just by making little sections within the part you made and combing it through and putting the straightener through the hair to straighten the hair. And you want to do that all the way till you get to the top. And towards the top end, as you guys will see shortly, I will be using a wax stick. So you want to apply wax stick. Don't put too much of this product so your hair is not like sticky and has a weird texture. Just apply a little bit to tame the flyaways. Then use your hot comb to press it down some more. So it's extra flat, especially at the top. It's very important for that sleek look. And then you pass your straightener through the hair and comb it through. And then towards the end, to get that inward bob look, I will then turn the straightener inwards just to get that swoop that the bob gives. And that's pretty much it. If you're wondering where this hair is from, I will leave a link down in the description box for you guys. If you just want to purchase the hair already styled for you, you don't want to do this by yourself, you can definitely get that. But then when you wash the hair, you're going to end up needing to style it again. So I hope this video is going to be helpful for you so you can see exactly how to transform your old wig, your washed wig, new wig. This is just going to show you how to get that very nice bone straight bob wig. And yeah, you save some money on styling. Enjoyed this video or found it helpful, be sure to please give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more hair videos. I have a couple of wig revamps coming up, so stay tuned for that. You would not want to miss. The next one will be on curly hair, so you definitely want to stay tuned for that. This was a wig that was brought by a customer, so that would be very interesting to watch how I transformed that unit. So be sure to subscribe to the channel, give a thumbs up, leave comment down below what you think about this, and if you found it helpful, if you'll be trying it, and how it worked. But you definitely also need, I forgot to mention, you will need a mannequin head and a mannequin stand. That way you can prop your wig and style it effortlessly, as well as you also need the tools like the hair straightener and the comb. And I also like to wear gloves just so I don't burn my hand, so you have to keep have safety in mind, of course. So much for watching this video, guys, and I will see you in my next one. Bye for now.